What happens to your body when you eat chayote every day? Did you know there's a hidden gem in the vegetable aisle called chayote? Also commonly known as vegetable pear, mirliton, or choco, what this humble squash can do for your body is truly remarkable and should be on your grocery list. Let's find out. Supports weight management. Whether you're on a weight loss journey or simply trying to maintain a healthy weight, chayote can be your secret weapon. This low-calorie vegetable is an excellent addition to any weight loss diet with its low in fat and high in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer and curbs those pesky hunger cravings and keeps unnecessary snacking away. Promotes healthy skin. If you're on the quest for radiant, glowing skin, chayote can be your ally. Its high water content and skin-loving vitamins like vitamin C serve a crucial role in collagen synthesis, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Chayote will be a refreshing addition to your diet that hydrates your skin from within and promotes a healthy complexion. Supports healthy heart. Protecting your heart should always be a top priority, and chayote can lend a helping hand. This remarkable veggie is packed with potassium, a mineral known for its role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By keeping your blood pressure in check, chayote reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases and ensures your ticker stays happy and healthy. Its high folate content also supports cardiovascular health by reducing homocysteine levels, a known risk factor for heart disease. Improves healthy digestion. Healthy digestion is the cornerstone of overall well-being, and thanks to the abundant dietary fiber found in chayote, regular consumption of this vegetable promotes a healthy digestive system by promoting smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting a thriving gut microbiome for your stomach. Promotes bone strength. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and chayote can help you build that foundation. Packed with vitamin K and manganese, chayote aids in calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. So if you want to prevent conditions like osteoporosis and have a sturdy skeletal system, make chayote a regular part of your diet. Supports healthy eyes. Our peepers deserve some love too, and chayote is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that can help protect your eyes from free radical damage, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other vision-related conditions. Be sure to keep your vision sharp and clear with your daily intake of the beneficial chayote nutrition has to offer. Boosts immune function. Strengthening your immune system is crucial for fending off illnesses and diseases. Chayote steps up to the plate packed with immune-boosting properties like vitamin C, vitamin B6, as well as antioxidant contents. By boosting your body's defense mechanisms, chayote helps ward off infections and keeps you feeling your best. Helps with detoxification. If you're feeling sluggish or want to give your body a refreshing cleanse, chayote can be a valuable choice. Its high water content, along with its natural diuretic properties, helps flush out toxins from your body and promotes proper kidney function. So sip on some chayote-infused water or add it to your detox salads for a gentle cleanse. Promotes anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is often at the root of many chronic diseases, and chayote can help combat it. Packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals, chayote contains anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting better joint health and lowering the risk of chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Provides antioxidant protection. Chayote squash is packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, such as vitamin C and various phytonutrients, work together to support your body's defense system and promote overall health and longevity. Provides hydration and electrolytes. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health. and chayote can contribute to your hydration goals. With its high water content and the presence of important electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, chayote helps replenish your body's fluids and maintain proper electrolyte balance. Be sure to maintain proper fluid balance in your body with a crunchy bite of chayote. Supports blood sugar balance. For individuals looking to control their sugar levels or manage diabetes, chayote can be a fantastic addition to their dietary arsenal. Its high fiber content and low glycemic index help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent sudden spikes, making it a diabetic-friendly vegetable. Keep your glucose levels in check and savor the deliciousness of chayote at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Supports healthy pregnancy. For expecting moms, chayote can be a fantastic addition to your pregnancy diet. It is rich in folate, a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in fetal development and reduces the risk of neural tube defects. Be sure to first consult with a healthcare professional if including chayote in your meals will be suitable for your diet to nourish both you and your growing baby. Now that you know about the fantastic health benefits of chayote, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Here are a few chayote squash recipe ideas to help you make the most of this versatile vegetable. Baked chayote chips. Craving a crunchy snack? Slice chayote into thin rounds. Drizzle them with olive oil, sprinkle a pinch of salt and your favorite herbs or spices, then bake them in the oven until crispy. These homemade chayote chips are a healthier alternative to potato chips and make a delightful guilt-free treat. Stir-fried chayote. Chop chayote into bite-sized pieces and stir-fry with colorful bell peppers, onions, and lean proteins like tofu or shrimp. Season with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for an Asian-inspired dish bursting with flavors and health benefits. Chayote Salad Delight. Slice chayote into thin strips and toss it with your favorite greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Add some grilled chicken or shrimp for a protein-packed meal that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. Chayote Soup. Peel and dice chayote, then simmer it in a vegetable or chicken broth along with your choice of herbs and spices. Blend it until smooth for a velvety soup that warms your body and satisfies your taste buds. Don't forget to garnish with fresh herbs for an extra burst of flavor. Chayote Salsa. Finely chop chayote, tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and cilantro. Squeeze in some lime juice, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and mix it all together. This refreshing chayote salsa is perfect as a dip for tortilla chips or as a topping for grilled fish or chicken. So why not give chayote a chance to shine in your kitchen and experience firsthand the surprising chayote health benefits have to offer? Bon appétit! If you've learned a thing or two about the benefits of chayote for health and chayote recipes, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on other videos.